And now you should be brought back to the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to move on to the next step, which is modifying our permalinks. So what I want to do first is add the www dot in front of our web address, and then we're going to select the URLs that we want for our permalinks for our pages and posts. So what I want you to do is come down on the left-hand side to Settings and hover over that, and then click on the General link. And once you're on the General Settings page, all you have to do is come down to where it says WordPress address and site address. And you want to be very careful when you do this, but just come into this section right here, right in front of your website name, and just type in www dot. And then do the same with the site address right here, www dot. And make sure that you don't delete anything or put this in the wrong place. So make sure that it says http://www.yourwebsitename.com, and make sure that it says it on both of these lines. And again, you want to double and triple check, because if you mess this up, then you're not going to be able to access your website and you're going to have to start all over. Okay, so once you're ready, just come down to the bottom of this page and click on Save Changes. And you're going to be logged out, and for security purposes, you want to log back in. So type in your username and password and then just click Login. And once you're logged back in, now you should see the www dot in front of your website name. So if you see that, then we're good to go. And now what we want to do is modify our permalinks. So again, come down to Settings and hover over this and click on the Permalinks link right here. And once you're on the permalink settings page, what you want to do is select the permalink option that you want for your pages and posts. And the one that I recommend is the post name option, because it's the most professional. So I'll select this one, and once you're ready, just come down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And once your settings are saved, now what I want to do is go back to our list of pages. So hover over Pages on the left-hand side and click on All Pages. And once you're on the Pages page, you can see a list of all the pages that we have published right here. So we have the blog page, the home page, and a default sample page. So let's delete the sample page. Hover over it and click on the trash link right here. And now you should see the sample page deleted from your list right here, and it should be moved to the trash can. So if you want to empty your trash can, just click on this link and you can empty your trash can like that.